Good day and welcome to the Math Salon. My name is Dr. Anumendem. We'll be looking at 4 paper 1 questions for the ordinary levels under the topic matrices. So the first question says, given the matrix M, which is 3 minus 1, 2, 1, find this. This notation actually indicates the determinant of the matrix. And for a 2 by 2 matrix, this is not complicated. It's simply this multiplied by that. So that is 3 multiplied by that minus this multiplied by that, 2 multiplied by minus 1. If we do this properly, 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. But minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. So this is 3 plus 2, and that is equal to 5. The second question says, given the matrices P, a 2 by 2 matrix 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, and Q, a 2 by 1 matrix 3, minus 1, then we should look for the product PQ. That means P should multiply by Q. A matrix P is 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2. It's multiplied by 3, 1, minus that. Two matrices can only be multiplied if the number of if the number of columns of the first matrix equal the number of rows of the second matrix. So here, we have here 2 rows and 2 columns, and we have 2 rows and 1 column. So the number of columns here are 2, number of rows here are 2. To multiply this, we simply take this number, we multiply by that. When we take this number, we multiply by this to get the first element. So 1 times 3 is 1 times 3 plus minus 1 times minus 1, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1. And we do the same here. This times that, and this times that. So minus 1 times 3 plus 2 times minus 1. If we arrange this properly, then we get here 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Question number 3. The value of M for which this matrix here has a determinant of 1. We already learned from here how to calculate the determinant. So the determinant of this matrix, M here, 3, 1, 2, is this times this. That means M times 2 minus this times that, 3 times 1. And we are told the answer is 1. That's what is said here. That means 2M minus 3 is equal to 1. That means if I take minus 3 to the other side, it becomes plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So 2M is equal to 4. M is therefore 4 divided by 2, and that is 2. The last question says, the value of y for which this determinant is equal to 0. Determinant again. So the determinant 3, y, 2, 6 is supposed to be equal to, the way we learned before, this times that, that is 3 times 6, minus this times that, so 2 times y. We are told this should be equal to 0. 3 times 6 is 18, minus 2y, and this should be equal to 0. If I take 2 minus 2y to this side, it becomes plus 2y. So 18 is equal to 2y. If I divide both sides by 2, this goes off. 2 into 18 is 9. This means y is equal to 9. Something to remember. A matrix that has no inverse is called a singular matrix. Of course, do not forget to give us some thumbs up, and most especially subscribe in order to be notified immediately we have new videos concerning other topics. Thank you.